Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a group on TikTok and you can chat with persons. So make sure that do watch the video completely in order to get it perfectly. So first of all, head to your Instagram or head to your TikTok, I'm having right here. And now what you're gonna do, it is loading. Just wait a few seconds until this loads and then click this inbox icon right here. After this, simply allow this, and now what you have to do, click this group chat icon in the upper right corner, and here I'm selecting some random persons to in which I going to make a group. So let's proceed with these two. Click next, and now as you can see the group has been created, and now you can chat with your friends like this and enjoy. So whenever you click on your group icon, from here you can add other members in the group, or you can mute the notifications of the group, and you can pin it on the top, or you can change profile picture from these settings. So I hope you have learned something new. So if you like the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on, so that whenever we upload something new you will get into it. So I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.